Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between sub-accounts on GoHighLevel. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and switch between their sub-accounts. Maybe you're on a starter plan and you have multiple sub-accounts. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first we're going to go onto our GoHighLevel account. And right now we're on the CRM/sub-account dashboard view. In order to switch sub-accounts, all you need to do is click on the drop-down menu on the upper left-hand side here. Right now this is blurred out, but you can see that you can search for all your sub-accounts down over here. And once you do that, once you click on your different sub-account, you'll be switched to that new sub-account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how to switch between sub-accounts on GoHighLevel. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.